Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin changing the battery in your Conga 4690, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any small components during the process. First, power off your Conga 4690. This is crucial for both safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Once it's off, locate the screws on the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all the screws. Keep them in a small bowl to avoid misplacing them. After removing the screws, gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the back panel. Be cautious during this step to avoid scratching the surface. Once the back panel is removed, you'll see the battery compartment. Next, disconnect the battery. You'll notice a connector attached to the battery that needs to be carefully pulled out. Use the tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging any wires. Once disconnected, remove the old battery from its compartment. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This ensures a tight fit and optimal performance. If you're unsure about the battery type, refer to the device manual or check the specifications online. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it properly in the compartment and connect the battery connector. Make sure it's securely attached to avoid any connectivity issues. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the battery is connected, reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press until it clicks back into place. Then, use the Phillips screwdriver to secure all the screws back in their original positions. Be sure not to over-tighten them to avoid damaging the plastic. After everything is reassembled, power on your Conga 4690. Check to ensure that it operates correctly. If your device still doesn't work or you encounter issues, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, if you followed these steps and the battery replacement seems daunting, remember that we offer a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision about how to proceed with your device's maintenance. Changing the battery in your Conga 4690 doesn't have to be a chore. With the right tools and knowledge, it can be a simple and effective process. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.